Hi guys, welcome back. How are you all doing? I trust you all are doing great. So today I'm going to share with you how I made this freshly homemade Zobo. So guys, let's get started. So into a clean pot, I added my nicely washed hibiscus flower into the pot. Then I went in with pineapple skin. I already peeled the pineapple off the camera. So I'm just going to add it into the pot. Then I went in with some ginger, then cinnamon sticks and some cloves. So after adding it, I'm going to add enough water. So after adding the water, I'm going to cover this to cook for 30 to 35 minutes. So while that is cooking, I'm going to blend the pineapple. I'm going to be making use of pineapple and some dates. So I'm going to blend this together until it is very smooth. So guys, if you are new here, thanks for clicking on this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe if you have not. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. I appreciate you. So once the pineapple and dates is nicely blended, I'm just going to sieve it just the way you are seeing on this video, okay? So once I'm done sieving, I'm going to set it aside. So at this point, I'm done sieving. You can see how thick, and this is so sweet. So I'm just going to set it aside. Then I'm going to sieve just the way you are seeing on this video. So once I'm done sieving, I'm going to strain the water again so that there will be no sand in it. So at this point, Zobo is almost ready. So the next thing I added is the blended dates and pineapple. So I'm going to mix everything together just the way you are seeing on this video. And guys, this was so sweet and natural, no sugar added, just freshly and very healthy. This is very healthy, no sugar added, just pure Zobo, okay? And guys, if you are pregnant, please don't take this, okay? So at this point, we are done, and I'm just going to serve and enjoy. And this was so yummy and very refreshing. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.